Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change the color of an object in Canva. It's super easy and useful for your designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just upload your photo that you want to edit to your Canva designs. And then click on photo and then go to edit and then go to adjust. And then under the select area section, choose foreground, this one. And then scroll down and on the color edit, this one, just click on the color that you want to change. For example, I will change the search color and then adjust the color slider to change the color of objects. And like this, see, you have successfully changed the color of an object in Canva. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.